This is Cameron's car. That's Cameron, and it's broken. Well, kind of. He destroyed his clutch. Didn't destroy it. It still works, but we're gonna mess with it. Take a transmission out. Ooh, that sounds good. I like exhaust noises. This right here, it's called a power plant frame. It links the transmission, which we're going to be taking out, all the way back to the differential. I guess for added rigidity, right? Or something like that? Stiffness, support?
It eliminates the need for a front differential mount and a transmission mount, which makes it a lot easier to put together and cheaper.
Huh.
Very surprised that this did not make any noise because this little guy is done.
So that's throw-out bearing, right? Is that just from all just the heat and abuse, or like?
These just go bad, but you can see, look at all this clutch material in here. There's material in here from the disc. It's been slipping for a little while.
Just
right here.
Just sort of imperceptibly.
I'm not sure. We'll have to take a look at it.
That is clutch right there, everybody.
Let's take a look at the disc when it comes out.
I'm interested to get that thing out of there and see what
the chunks coming out.
Looks. Yeah.
So I'm guessing when this comes out, there's going to be very, very little material on at least one side. The other side's probably going to be fine, but that seems to be the mode of failure on these.
Huh.
So,
good to know.
You know, it seems like a really opportune time to put a larger engine in, doesn't it?
Don't go down that rabbit hole. You do not need to go down that rabbit hole.
I do it all the time.
I know you do, but it's a problem.
All right. Let's take a look at this. This disc is trash. There is a lot of disc material jammed inside this pressure plate. See?
Yeah, all of that is disc material.
This is fibers that were part of this disc.
That is shit. So Cameron was going to have his flywheel sent off for resurfacing, but upon further inspection, we found out that it is actually already an aftermarket flywheel. And it's actually in pretty good shape, so we're just gonna leave it in, right, Cameron?
We're gonna send it.
Yeah, we're gonna send it. Oh wait, where'd your light go? What the fuck did your light go? I need the light. The light! Light is important! I wonder how hard it would be to put this MZR 2-liter, it is MZR, right?
Yeah, MZR.
This MZR 2-liter into an exo set.
Well, it would probably fit.
Oh, I'm sure it would fit. I mean, fucking V8s fit in exo sets. Like, this would be a killer motor in an exo set. We just got the clutch in, and by we, I mean Cameron. So, isn't it pretty? It's yellow. I like the yellow.
Yeah, good. Nice ACT clutch.
ACT clutch. Right. I thought it actually was one at first. Because he told me that, because he's the liar.
What kind of clutch is it?
Let me look. You have a box, don't you? This is a no-name clutch, literally. Nameless.
It's yellow.
It's yellow clutch. We're going to call it yellow clutch.
It's a brand X clutch.
I want a yellow clutch. So how much did you even pay for this no-name clutch anyway? Like,
I paid $100 ship. No, you know what? I didn't. I actually paid $95 ship because I did a best offer on it.
This is a $95 clutch job.
I don't really care if it breaks because I'll just put it in.
I mean, you can put another $95 clutch in. Yeah. If you can do a clutch for $95, I think you're probably like doing something right. Or wrong, I mean, I guess, or wrong depending on who you're talking to. I'm pretty excited to actually mess with my car. Like, I definitely want to do sways. Like, I don't know whether to do the coilovers.
I don't like buying things more than once.
Yeah, but
I
the thing is,
usually,
like,
I think really hard about what I want out of the car, and then I just buy it.
well, but I also know what I want out of the car, and it's not necessarily right now just to be a track monster.
Yeah, but you don't have to buy things to be a track monster. You just buy something that can grow with you. I'm not usually the voice of reason when it comes to things like that.
Well, no, I get where you're coming from though. Like only buy something once. You know, you don't want to be cutting corners like Raceland coilovers.
Will not install Raceland coilovers.
Raceland coilovers are terrible. Oh, hey, there we go. This is really not bad at all. I mean, the biggest thing is a lift. Like, if you don't have a lift, this would suck. It could be done though. I mean,
Yeah, it could be.
I mean, Greg does it all the time.
You sure he doesn't like actually have a lift that he takes the car to? Maybe a shop that he has friends
Do you think
who
he
own a
does?
shop.
That's not going in the video. I left, right?
Greg, I like you.
How can you do this on your own? Oh, just use one. Job well done.
Mostly done.
Well, mostly done. I'm leaving early. He just has to put the exhaust back in, and I don't need to be here for that. I'm very hungry. I need some pizza in my belly. So, see you, dude.
See ya.
Have a good one.
Bye.
I'm peacing out.